How to search filters on Instagram. If any of you are an Instagram user and you see that your friends are using various cool filters on Instagram, but you do not know the process of how to search cool filters on Instagram, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Instagram on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Instagram for a while. After that, you have to go to the plus icon on the top, and then you can go to the camera icon out there. After you go to the camera icon out there, you can see the various kind of option down there. These are the various kind of filters that you can find in Instagram. You can go to any of the filters out there which has been shown in your very Instagram account. If you want to search any of more of such filters, you have to go to this very icon, which is the search button out there, and then when you tap on that, you can see the various kind of filters here. You can go to the very trending option out there, and you can see the various trending options and the trending filters that are on Instagram. You can go to the appearance option out there, and you can also see the various kind of appearance filter there. You can go to the aesthetic options out there, and you can see the various aesthetic filters. You can go to the games option out there, and you can see the various games types of filters there. You can see the human option out there, and when you tap on the human option, you can see the various humor kind of filters out there. You can go to the special effects out there, and you can see the various special effects filters on the very Instagram. And this way you can search the various filters on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.